Hello everyone! Today we are going to make AI data labeling tool using the ZetaForge. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own custom block, pipelines, and will be able to share your work with your colleagues easily without worrying about any dependencies or operating system. Step 1 is, we are going to clone the official repo of Grounding Dino model, which is zero-shot object detection model. So our tool will be automatically annotate the object we want to label. As you can see, I just cloned the repo and making sure that we have all the files that we needed to run the model. Before we start, we need to download the weight file of the model, so we make a folder named weight and follow the steps from the repo to download the weight and place it into the weight folder that we made. At this point, we have all the things that we need to run this model. Now we launch the ZetaForge and start building our custom block. ZetaForge has core blocks that helps you to create your custom block. Here I am going to use new Python block, which will be a skeleton block for different Python project that we want to build. We can simple drag this block and start working on our project. New Python block has necessary files needed to run the block, but it does not have the project folder yet, so we click the Upload Folder button and upload the repo. We can see the core blocks comes with its computations.py file, which is the main file. We have Docker file as well, which will containerize our code. And we also have spec.json file, where we can provide properties for the block such as name of block, ID, and so on. Now we're going to start updating these files. First, we will start with Docker file. Let's see the installation step mentioned in the repo and follow that to build our Docker file. We need to go to Grounding Dino folder and install all the required packages. As we can see, we do not need to specify the run command for the computation.py file. In the section, we just need to take care of the dependencies and installing packages. Now, let's move to the main part, which is making computations.py file. Computations.py file comes with a sample template. Before updating this files, following things need to be remembered. Compute function name must not be changed. That is the main function, and it must always return the dictionary. From the workspace, we can start the editing. Compute function is just like normal Python function where we can build inputs and output as per our requirements. Let's change the default code of the block. I will copy-paste some code now. This code will load the model and perform the inference. This code is also available on the official repo. For our tool, we need to read image and provide the prompt, which is object that we want to label /detect. So I am changing the inputs to the function, and in the docstring providing information about inputs and block, so it will be useful when I share the block with others. Here, I am saving the image and providing the path of the image in return. Once we are done with the editing of files in the Files section, we can see our edited files. We are almost done. Now we will connect few blocks and make our pipeline. I am taking help of file upload and text block to make in pipeline. Now we select the image and the object name and run the pipeline. To run the pipeline, simply hit the Run button. Saving and sharing the pipeline is super easy. Go to Files and save the pipeline. You'll see the folder in your local computer. Inside that you can find all the blocks and necessary details of pipeline and to load the pipeline go files, and then use Load Pipeline to load it.